So there are key questions for a first home buyer. The first one is, how much can I borrow? Then, what price can I buy for? What price property can I afford? How much will it cost me to repay the loan? And what do I do next? How do I go about it? Just for listening to this short recording, I'm going to give you a free bonus worth $25 that'll really help you on your journey. The first one is, how much can I borrow? That's a function of a few things that we would need the details on just to ascertain that for you. The first one is your approximate gross pay, how much you earn per year before tax. If you're buying with somebody else, we would need theirs as well. Then for yourself, or both of you if you're buying together, what your current commitments are. Your living expenses, we'll assume that for now. Come back to that in more detail should we go further with the loan. The second one is your other debts, what your credit card limits are. So we need the limits of all your cards, including any store cards. So it's not outstanding balances or repayments, it's your credit card limits. And also if you've got HECS, what the balance of your HECS debt is, how much you're repaying. And same with any car loans you may have, car repayments, the balance and how much you're repaying. Then we move into what price can you buy the property for. That's a function of how much you can borrow and how much you're able to contribute to the purchase as well. So what deposit do you have savings to contribute? We need that broken down by two sources. One is from your own savings and the other one if you've got any money being gifted from parents or relatives, for example. Then it's how much will it cost me to repay the loan? At the moment, on current interest rates, we'd assess that further for your situation and what deals we could get at the time, but there's a rule of thumb that for every $100,000 you borrow, it will require repayment for around about $480 per month, which is, for most nurses, repay fortnightly because that's the way your pay cycle works. It's $220 per fortnight, so there is a saving because the payments are more regular. So for example, if you're borrowing $400,000, you just take those numbers and multiply them by 4, and that's pretty much what you could budget repayments to be. So what do you do next? Where to from here? The first one is to fill out these details on this page. The second one is just make sure you include your contact number and email so we can get back to you. I will get back to you personally within 48 hours of receiving those details from you. Answer these questions for you that we've just been through and any others that you might have, and from there, should we go further, we'll discuss in more details to get the documentation that we will require. We'll do a full proper assessment for you, so get down to individual lenders and what offers that we can get. Then we would proceed with the pre-approval to get the money effectively in your pocket so that you can go and buy that first property. It's a pretty exciting process, and our job is to make it as easy as possible for you. As I mentioned, there is a bonus that I just want to offer to you now for listening to this, and that is for nurses. So please, I published a book recently called Escape the Rental Traps, all around buying your first property in 7 simple steps. It covers more than just getting a mortgage, it covers the whole property buying process. And just to get that book, if you complete the details on the form that we've just been through, or if you want to shortcut that, just send me an SMS with the word nurse on it so I know that you're eligible for the offer, and send it to this phone number here please, 0474 056 354. Again, my name is Tim Boyle. Thank you very much. I look forward to talking with you soon.